Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to create a date hierarchy in Power BI. So this is my date table right here, as you can see, and these are the different columns. Now the first thing we need to do is create a hierarchy. So right click on the column that you want to be at the top. Okay, click on create hierarchy. So there we go. This will go ahead and create this hierarchy. As you can see, we have date. Now, what we need to do is add these other columns to the hierarchy. So we'll assign these fields. Just need to right click on this, come hover over to add to hierarchy, and then choose this one. So this is the hierarchy, this is the date one. So choose that. And there we go. We are adding it one by one. And now we'll add the rest, the same process. And lastly, we do have year left. So once we add that, we will be done. There you go. And as you can see, it's really that easy and simple.